Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. It's a quick young match preview. Durban City versus Kaizer Chiefs. It's an away game. We are away this time around, which I don't understand. Do you know we've played 8 games, 8 of our 9 games at home, which I don't even know how on earth that happened. How can a team play 8 of their first 9 games at home? I've never seen such. Only in the Betway Premiership, only in the PSL can you get such messed up fixtures. But we are not there. Devon City next. It's a must-win game. This is a must-win game, mate. I can't afford to go 5 games without a win. We're currently on a 4 games winless streak in the league. So this is a must-win game. We can't go 5 games without a win. However, we are playing a very, very good side. Durban City are a very good side, newly promoted. They had a brilliant start to the season. They've played 10 games, won 4, drew 3, and lost 3. They've scored 10 goals, 2 more than us, and they've conceded 8 goals. They are currently sitting 5th on the log, which for a newly promoted team, it's an excellent start. It's an excellent start. And we are playing against Gavin Hunt, one of the best coaches ever to grace South African football. He's a very, very good coach. I know people sometimes criticize him saying he plays scumbag football, this and that, but this man has won 3 league titles with SuperSport United and won 1 with Bidvest, picked up some few trophies. He's a very, very good coach. Whether you like his style of play or not, he is a very good coach. And these are his sort of games, sitting back and playing on the counter. That's what he does best. So this is not going to be an easy game for us. I think they are going to defend really well, they wouldn't mind taking a point. So this is going to be a really, really difficult game. But at the end of the day, I want us to win. I don't give a toss how we win. I just want a win. Even if we, at the end of the day, we have to scam a win, so be it. So in terms of the team news, the only players missing from the training, Khanyisa Mayo picked up a hamstring injury against Welele. Rushin Totli long-term injury. Kanyiso Shinga also not training, but every player is fit and available for selection. But I've gone with the same team from Sunday. In goals, Brendan Peterson, of course, Solomons, Bradley Cross, Zitakwinika, and Eden McCarthy. But Minaso Miguel is back, so there might be a change there. There might be a change, but I don't see it happening. I don't see Zitakwinika. Zitakwinika is definitely not getting dropped. I don't think Eden McCarthy will get dropped. I think Minaso Miguel will start on the bench. In the middle of the park, Sibongiseni Mthetho, obvious, starts every game. Nkosingiphile Nqobo had a decent game. Duduzi Shabalala. On the right, Mfundo Vilakazi. Jody Lilepo up front, got power, Igodaro. So, we are going to go with the same team. Let's just win, mate. Let's just win, because we can't go from scoring 3 goals. Okay, at least let's score a goal, because we are struggling when it comes to scoring goals. We are struggling against Simba. It was the first time this season that we scored more than 2, and it was only the second time we scored more than 1 goal in a game. So we are not good attacking wise, but we have a very, very good defense. So let's defend well, even if we can get 1 goal. As I've said, even if we scam back this win, I'll be happy, mate. I'll be happy. Not over the moon, but I'll take it. I'll take it, because I am desperate. I'm desperate for a win, mate. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.